How to enable or disable suggested actions in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the text messages app. In the messages screen, now tap on the profile icon. From the pop-up, now go down and tap on messages settings. After that, we go down and tap on suggestions. Now in here, tap on suggested actions. Tap on the toggle button to turn off suggested actions or switch it on. So some examples are create event, attach recent photos, start video call, or share location, or include a GIF image. So here we got the create event. Okay, so I just sent myself a text message, and here you can see I have a text, and here are some suggestions. So I can tap on OK, cool, OK, and then I'm just going to close this chat head, and I'm going to open up my text messages. So suggested actions has already been switched on. Now in here, it doesn't suggest for me to create an event. It should, but it didn't because maybe I didn't have a lot of context in here. So just random text. So as you write more, the phone will learn your conversation content, and when it has more information, it will suggest certain actions that you can quickly use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.